Guys, we're gonna be doing Phantom Forces, but only my secondaries. And I only got like this secondary, this, and this. Now I do have a lot of credits, right? So I can I could buy a tech. Okay, but whatever. I have the PP2000, but I also have Rex and the 6, which are really good guns. So yeah, let's see how this works out, because this is more of like a long range map, and secondaries are close range weapons. So I'm gonna have to. Plus, people have like automatics, so I'd have to be very careful and shoot fast. Like, oh, that's so slow compared to this. Oh, I'll make a video about this gun later. Oh, wait, let me use MP9. I mean, Rex. MP9 or Rex. My friend just died right there. I think that'll be suspicious. Got it. Any headshot with this is gonna one shot. 168 damage is insane for a revolver. Oh. This will be insane. That is definitely cracked. No! No, I had 13, like, friendly tags and, like, 7 other tags, bro. No. Is that the kid that killed me? I had, like, 7 enemy tags. Oh, oops. I can't leave it out with empty ammo anyway. What? Okay. This might be a little bit long. I mean, not long, because this is very difficult. I just cursed to never, like, ride that. Oh. Got smoked by a revolver. Ooh, what is this? Oh, BFG. So one bullet only. I just want to test this out, chat. Never had this. Oh! Oh, Jesus. Okay, I need a different side. This side's not really that good. Yeah. Wait. Oh my god, definitely. This is more for far range though, so like can't get close to anyone and obviously use this. Otherwise I'm cooked. Ooh. That's definitely like no attention span there. Ah. Someone. Oh! Oh! Dang it. Okay, 1 minute left, and then this video ends, and I'll make another one. Oh! So, do you get more for enemy tags, or? I mean, I would assume, right? Ah, oh, dang it, that's a person. I was about to say, if they're on the plain view like that. Oh! Imagine getting sniped by a revolver. That is unheard of, man. Sniped by a revolver. May Oliver Bacon burn. Hey, well, how many kills did I get? 15 to 12. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Oh, start at 4. Let's see. 4. Dang it. Hey, why not? Let's just put this on and then just sell it. Whoa. $405. Okay, oh. What's my primary? Yo, okay. Wait. Oh, they changed it from AUG1 to URA. Or UAR. Jesus, I can't even. URA, bro. Whoa, that's a new map. And that's a good gun. That's a really good gun. Wow. It's a very good gun. Okay, what? Okay. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll come back with another one explaining and showing this gun, which has, like, which is an absolute devil. It only takes, like, 0.7 seconds to kill someone, which is actually really good. And the fire rate is 1,620, guys. Let's see if we can make that faster. Let's just see. 1,000. So the maximum, because I have no limiter on, is 1,500. 1,620. Right. Oh, that makes it slower. No. So muzzle booster is the best then. Like, truly. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. I'll show you guys later about this gun. See ya. Subscribe.